So, you've decided to buy a Worx Landroid robotic lawnmower, but which model should you get? The Landroid range comes in 6 sizes, one of which will be appropriate for you depending on the size of your garden. You can measure the size of your lawn by pacing out the width and length. Multiply the two together to get an approximate lawn size. For an easier and more accurate way to measure your lawn, sign in as a guest on our Landroid app. Use the menu to select Lawn Size Calculator and then follow the on-screen instructions. The app will ask you to trace the outline of your lawn using the phone's camera and then calculate the size for you. You can then check online to see which model is suitable for your lawn. Your Landroid will need power, so you'll need to arrange for a suitable source of mains power outside. The power supply needs to be within 5 meters of where the charging base is going to be placed. The charging base needs to be placed on a flat surface, and preferably in the shade, so check you have a suitable spot. All Landroid robotic lawnmower models come with the following items in the box as standard. The Landroid itself, a single 20-volt PowerShare battery, a charging base station, a power cord with a transformer to connect to the mains, a set of ground screws and an Allen key to secure the base station to the ground, a roll of wire and set of pegs to create your Landroid boundary operating area, a ruler and corner guide to help you lay out the boundary wire perfectly, guides to setting up and using your Landroid, a QR code and serial number to allow you to register and manage the Landroid using the Landroid app. That's all you need to know before you order your Worx Landroid lawnmower. Join us in part 2 as we break down the easy installation process.